Welcome to Chandu's Kitchen. Hi viewers, today let us see how to prepare prawns biryani. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Ingredients: 2 pieces of ginger, some garlic cloves, 2 green chillies, jeera samba rice 1 cup, 250 grams prawns, 2 flower anise, fennel seeds, 2 cloves, cardamom, 2 cinnamon bark, 2 bay leaf, salt to taste, garam masala, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, oil as required, roughly chopped 2 onions, mint leaves, 1 tomato, some coriander leaves, half lime. Take a mixing bowl, add 250 grams of cleaned and deveined prawns, add salt to taste, quarter spoon of turmeric powder, quarter spoon of red chilli powder, and gently mix it with your hand. Now keep it aside and marinate for about 20 minutes. Let us grind some masala for biryani. Add 2 green chillies, 2 ginger peas, some garlic cloves, some coriander leaves, and grind them to a fine paste. Now let's get started. Switch on the stove. Add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once it's hot, add 2 cinnamon bark, 2 bay leaf, 2 flower anise, 2 cloves, 1 cardamom, some fennel seeds, and roughly chopped 2 onions. Saute onions until it turns golden brown. This is an important step while preparing biryani. The caramelization of onions makes taste the biryani delicious. Once the onion turns golden brown, let us add the ground paste which we had made earlier. Saute for about 2 minutes. And now let us add 1 roughly chopped tomato. Now let us add the spices: salt to taste, red chilli powder, garam masala, turmeric powder. I have taken 1 spoon each. Now saute for about 1 minute. Now let us add 250 grams of marinated prawns to the frying pan. Saute for 2 minutes. Prawns usually does not require much time to cook. Now let us add some mint leaves, some coriander leaves, squeezing half a lime juice. Saute for about 1 minute. Mint leaves and coriander leaves enhances the taste of the food. Please check the description box to know the detailed quantity of ingredients used. Now let us add the water to the pan. I have taken 1:2 ratio of water. For 1 cup of rice, I have added 2 cups of water to it. Allow the water to boil in a high flame. Once the water starts to boil, now you can add the washed Seeraga samba rice to it. Now let us gently stir without breaking the rice. Now allow it to cook for about 5 minutes on a high flame. Let us cover it with a lid and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes on a low flame. After 10 minutes, let us open the lid. Yes, it is cooked perfectly. The color and the texture looks great. The aroma of biryani smells great. Now our delicious prawn biryani is ready. Hope you try this recipe and post your experience in the comment section. Also like this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching and for your continued support, and also check out my other videos.